Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the sounds in RS games. So, now there's a couple things I want to point out. The menu sounds that are used for navigating RS games, those sounds, they are changed inside the package contents. So you want to find RS games, you want to right click on the packet on the app, the app, and find the sounds folder. There you'll find the menu navigation sounds. Anyway, now I have some Windows sounds, and I want to use them for RS games because they're cool. RS games by default does use Windows sounds. I'm going to copy this file.
Copy Windows logon.wav.
I don't even need to convert these files to OGG, which is the format that RS games uses. Okay, so when I copy this file, I need to go to my menu bar.
Menu bar. Edit. View. Go.
I need to go to Go.
Back. Command. Left bracket.
I'm going to hit Computer.
Computer. Command. Library.
Oh, I'm just going to hit C for Computer and go up to Library.
Dim. Text. Library. Movies. Full library. Dim. Accounts. Application. Address. Application scripts. Folder. Application support.
You want to go to Application Support. Now, keep in mind, you have to be inside a user's folder for this to work.
Address book.
So, like, my username is Alexander on my computer, and then I have to. I'm using Column View, so this might work differently for you. Anyway, so you want to go to ZGP.
ZGP folder. 1,000 miles. Apples to apples. Battleship. Fold. Bingo.
And those are all the RS Games folders.
Blackjack folder.
Now, I'm going to go in here, just for an example. Alright, now I'm going to press Enter, interact with this.
Select all.
No, wait.
Blackjack.
Let me paste that file first.
Document.
And then find it.
Shuffle.org. Split.org. Main music.org. Blues.org. Leave game.
I have to find the file. Okay, Windows. I select all the text. Copy. So I know I have the correct name. And then I put the PM file in the trash. It's okay, I still have one just in case I want to replace it. Okay. Now keep in mind, this does not have to actually be an OGG file with OGG encoding. You just have to have the .ogg extension. Now sometimes when the file comes out, it is quiet. I can even show you that it works. Oh wait, no, I'm not going to do that. You can test it out for yourself. Anyway, that was all for now. And goodbye.